Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Today with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Nokia 1680 Classic. Yes, today we are going to talk about Nokia 1680 Classic out there. And talking about this variant, we can say that this was a cool variant out there back then when it was released. We can also say that this variant was not just cool as it named, but it was really a classic variant out there. Talking about this variant, it has got a different kind of a look, a different kind of a version out there. And the weightage was also less as compared to the other variants. It was less than 75 grams, so we can consider it's a good variant. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say TFT screening played a very good role out there, as well as the screen size was 1.8 inches and in fact more than that, 1.85 inches, slightly more than the earlier variants, but it was a good variation. But the disadvantage to this variant went out when the resolution did not improve with. It has reduced by 3%, that is 111 was the resolution capacity of this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant do offer a good expandability in the phone storage capacity. Yes, why we say so? Because now you can store up to 1000 entries in it, but no expandability, no external slot is there for that, but within the internal storage capacity. Why the internal storage capacity we see so? Because 11 MB storage capacity could be seen out here, and you can also have a good variation. When we talk about this variant, it is improved in the camera. You can have now a camera which is of VGA camera out there. Yes, VGA camera can be seen out there, but you will not see any selfie camera out there. All the multimedia things could be done out there. You can have all the things which are related to the camera can be done, document viewation can be done, music can be heard, but it does not possess any 3.5 mm jack or 2.5 mm jack. तो jack नहीं है, jack system नहीं है इसमें, and therefore you will not have the FM, but you can, yes, listen to the loudspeaker, because loudspeaker is really good of this variant. We talk about this Nokia 1680 classic model. Nokia Express Studio is there, which helps you to have a good variant, good quality sound, everything out there. When we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out there, when we can say the battery life has improved, might be that it does not offer you a good battery of more than 1000, but 700 mAh battery, which gives you talk time of up to 7 to 8 hours, is really a good version. Yes, talking about this, we can say that this variant offers you a good talk time out there within 700 mAh battery. So this is a wonderful version out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers a good version in the pricing also, because pricing matters a lot. Since the pricing matters a lot, this variant should be in a very pocketable rate and should not cost our pocket and should be very, very affordable. So we have got a site for you, and for that all you have to do is go in the description box and click on the link. Or you can also type on Google phoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the site name, phoneZone.ae. The highlighted one is the site name. Whereas you also get to see that this site offers you n number of brands, n number of gadgets out there. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am searching this model out here. The model is already out with me and waiting for the results. So the result is out. As we see the results out there, it has got a description box which has all the information, all the specifications related to the device. Everything is mentioned out here. And when we talk about this device, when we talk about okay 1680, then we get to see there is a condition written here, refurbished. Yes, there is a condition written refurbished. Let us talk about this and talk how it is different from brand new and what are the similarities between them and all the things out there. Then we will talk about the site also. But first, let us talk about refurbished. Talking about refurbished product or talking about brand new product, we can say that these two products are quite similar. Like, yes, the products are quite similar. When we talk about refurbished and brand new, refurbished itself means creating something new. Like, yes, creating something new like is the exact meaning or the exact definition we can say of refurbished, whereas brand new is absolutely brand new, untouched out there. What is the major difference between a brand new and a refurbished product? We can say that brand new products are usually a line chain of like company, uh, the mediator, whosoever is selling or is representing that brand out there in the market, and then the users. Whereas if we talk about refurbished products, then we can say that these are like company, the mediators out there who are representing it, user, the consumer, customer, everyone out there, we can declare them as a user. Then again, when they get, they want to resell it, they resell it, and then it is again by the company. Now the company is the agency, or we can say a site out there, which usually tests the product out there. It takes the products out there which are pre-owned. Yes, pre-owned are tested out there, and then again a new customer have this brand new kind of a phone. Yes, a new like phone they have. When we say these kind of phones, they are pre-owned and have been used once, but the major difference lies out here is that these pre-owned or the used products are tested, verified, are given certificates, are testimonialized, where these products do get an certificate that they are absolutely new, like they are ready to use, you can reuse them, and they will be definitely same as they were before. So this is what happens in refurbished and brand new, major difference. Now, what are the similarities? If we talk about the similarities, then we can say there are similarities in the testing sites or in the certification sites or the certificates given to them or anything we would like to say. Talking about that, we can say that these sites do offer you a great variety or a great range of certifications, which include like the external factors and the internal factors. Talking about the external factors, these might include the display, the camera, audio, video, your battery, your charging capacity, your battery life, whether it's how kind of battery it is, whether it's swelling or not, whether it's the original battery used in it or not, everything out there it has been checked. The scratches out there on the box or the device out there, the handset we have, everything out there has been to be checked and is checked. Once they are checked out, they are moved. The external factors are checked out. We can say that given a certification for the external factors certification, they are absolutely good in quality. Then they come to the internal factors which require a specified test, like the connections require a specified test. Each connection requires a different test. Like Wi-Fi requires another test, WAN requires another test, Bluetooth hotspot requires another test, GPS, infrared ports require another kind of test. So these kind of tests require different strategies. Moving to them, there comes the internal factors like operating system, processor, GPU, CPU out there, the internal parts, the resistance capacity, SIM recognition out there, colorization, the screening, the touch, how is it working, everything out there has to be checked. So when every factor, every specification is checked, around 29 parameters are there which check these specifications. When they are checked out, they are given a certificate that these are absolutely ready to use, they are 100% good in quality, they can be reused, and are given a certificate that is refurbished certificate. Now, talking about these products, they have to be a good in quality. Why? Because it does not only represent a brand, it represents an entire process used out in it. Yes, it requires entire process out there. So you get to have a lot of good quality, lot of good things about them. You get to have a lot of things about it. And the similarities is this only, that they have the same certifications out there. Otherwise, there are few benefits over refurbished products. Yes, there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new products. And moving on the benefits, let me tell you, number one benefit is that you get to save up to 15%. Yes, you get to have a savings up to 15%. When we talk about savings, we all love it. We all love to save money. We all love to have savings because we can do a lot of things with that. Anything we would like to do. Talking about the savings, we can say that brand new products are slightly expensive as compared to refurbished. So they need to be saved. So we can save a good amount of savings out there. Now talking about another factor, coming to that only, I would like to add to this saving point is the pocketable rate. Since brand new products are slightly expensive, we save up to 15%. But how we save? Because the refurbished products, they are actually quite pocketable. They are much less expensive as compared to them. They are not that much expensive out there, so these can be considered like that way. Yes, they are less expensive out there. They do not have much of the expenses. They do not cost that much. Now costing does not happens to be much. Then the warranty period of brand new, we already know, is 1 year, but the refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 6 months warranty is definitely is offered you when you have a brand and a condition called refurbished. We can say that usually when we buy any pre-owned phone, the conditions are like you do not get any warranty period, you have no other documentations, nothing you get out there. But here you get 6 months warranty if the condition is written refurbished. Whereas you also get to have, if you shop from the sites, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy out there. So definitely it could be considered as an advantage out there, because usually owning the pre-owned phones out there reduces the chances of good quality and everything out there. So you definitely take a risk. When we take a risk, it happens that we usually do have a policy out there, or we tend to have a site which offers your policy where you can exchange your goods out there if they are not in good condition. So definitely it offers you such kind of a website is offering you this kind of a policy. Now talking about the site, I would like to introduce you to the website, which is phonezone.ae. I'm again introducing you to the website. This is phonezone.ae. We have already talked about this website. We have seen all the gadgets out there, our favorite models out there. This site offers you not just one brand, but all the brands under the category of all mobile phones, which we have already discussed. But I would like to add to it that yes, this site offers you all the features which I have talked about. These offers you pocketable rates of your favorite gadgets. That's why you can save up to 15%, as well as they are offering you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. Apart from this, 100% original products could be seen. That's why I said that you can definitely check out this website. This website not only offers you COD but free shipping also. Yes, offering free shipping definitely helps out a lot of people, because that definitely gives a surety. And COD also helps you to have a confidence that it will be delivered within a very short span of time. Talking about the short span of time, I could say the site promises to deliver within most parts of UAE, in most of the parts of UAE, that it can deliver up to 48 hours. Yes, within 48 hours, it will deliver within your doorsteps. As well as in Dubai, it might take up to a week, but in most of the parts, in most of the UAE parts, it will deliver within 48 hours along with free shipping and COD. For more updates, you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets. Or if you want to know about your favorite model, you can call on the helpline number. It's the description box has a link. You can definitely check out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.